Welcome to another viewing and reaction video brought by me, the J-Dude. And today I'm gonna take a look at world's oldest ghost train at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Here we go. Yeah, I need to get a better remote.
Prime early access sale.
Here we go. I picked this because I love trains. Oh, they're showing us all aboard already, huh? The inside looks like a boiler room. Oh. That furnace kind of reminds me of the furnace from A Christmas Story. Even talks like one too. The Banshee, oh ho ho ho. Going up. I think I can, 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 I think I can. I knew I could, I knew I could, I knew I could. Oh, I didn't know that. Are they supposed to be towers or... Those colorful rocks beneath are more delightful than they are scary. Bone grinder. Ooh, saws. Get the picture? Oh. In the gray outdoors for a while. Oh my god. Was that a monkey or a double monkey or... Going down. Whee! Mirror, mirror. We're outside and yay! Oh, what was that man over there? Oh, it's falling on us. The wall is falling. Was that Spire wearing a mask? Going down again. Do not stand up. Yeah, we're not going down as fast as we did. A skeleton on top of a coffin. Whoa. Are you my mommy? Oh, the classic Phantom of the Opera. Never gets old. Oh. Oh no, there's... Oh no. There's a subway. Anyone getting Mr. Toad's Wild White flashbacks? Oh, we just missed it. Dun dun na 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 dun dun na 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 na. Eat much. Was that the fire alarm or something? Whoa. Those bats came out of hell. Well, anyway, that was my viewing and reaction to world's oldest train ride at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. If there's anything else you want me to view and react to, please let me know in the comment section below.